Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to convert photo to PDF on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. Simply just open your gallery and select a photo. So like I'm select this photo, press on to share option. Scroll down, showing it to print option. Press on, save to file. As you can see, now PDF document. Save to file, select location, like select this location, to save. Okay, and now I'm checking. As you can see, now I am recently make it to PDF file. That's it.